Alrighty guys, back at it again with another video. This video is going to be short. Let me just get my tablet so I can show you this. So I live in Louisiana, Port Allen, Irvinville. And if you listen closely, I don't know if y'all be able to hear it, but listen. I probably can't. But it is raining. And on my tablet, look at the top. 29 degrees. It is raining ice outside. So, yeah. It's 29 degrees outside and raining ice. The news channel said there's going to be no snow unless after tomorrow. Like, after tomorrow, there might be snow. But I'm going to check the yard in the morning and just see how it's going, like what's going on, stuff like that. So, what I did was I just opened my tablet up, looked at the temperature, said 32. I waited 3 or 4 minutes, opened it back up, said 29. I was like, dang, temperature dropped that fast? It is not even winter. Like, we passed winter. So, I'm just trying to, like, think of that. I don't know what could be causing it to get so cold. Besides the cold front, there's still part of it left. It didn't all go through yet. Some of it went through, though. And it rained hard during that. I got cat over there. Sammy. Sammy. There it is. That's Sammy. I got Dirt Rally downloading on PlayStation. Quickly gonna open it. Cause I got the first part downloaded. Turn it up to 10. I got me a Pepsi, and this thing's just been sitting on the living room floor. And this thing's like, what? 40 degrees, 42. Like, that's how cold it is. I put it on my face and it's freaking freezing. And I'm hot, so it feels good. Alright guys, I'm gonna flip the camera. I don't know if I'm gonna be playing Dirt Rally right now, but I have Dirt 4 and Dirt Rally. They're pretty awesome. This is my first time getting on Dirt Dirt Rally. Let me turn this on. But yeah, this is my first time. Shoot, it's just too freaking loud. This is my first time getting on Dirt Rally. I played Dirt 4 already. That one's pretty good. I have a car on Dirt 4 that has 400, 500 horsepower. That thing gets you through the freaking dirt. I'm telling you. And it's got slick tires on it. So, it's made to be a rally car. Oh, okay. Let me show you something. Gotta get on my tablet real quick. Don't worry, I'm not recording y'all. I'm getting on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you an update of my gaming channel, my subscribers and stuff. Dang, that ice is hitting hard. It's hitting on my window right there, like directly right there. So my gaming channel, if you're new here to this vlogging channel, my gaming channel is Blake Forey. Oh shoot, y'all fell. See, Blake Forey. So I currently have 14 subscribers and 41 videos. That's pretty good. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that. But yeah, I also have, this is my gaming tablet. It's just mobile gaming. I have BeamNG Drive on here. Literally. I'm recording with an iPad. So yeah, the iPad's normally for just watching YouTube, watching TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, doing videos like this. That's normally what this iPad's for. Tablet, I do nothing but play games on it. That's why I want to play on my PS4. I have this iPad disconnected from the internet and that tablet disconnected from the internet. That way, the performance on my PlayStation would be faster. So, I'm gonna load up Dirt Rally. Says, oh, it just went away. Never mind. I was about to read that, but okay. Dirt Rally. No save data found. Oh, you know, duh, cause I ain't played this game yet. Accept. Oh. Okay, first name Blake. Forey. Dang, it's getting pretty cold outside. Manual. Okay. Now I'm on the events. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm currently doing a video. Oh, voice crack. I said I'm on the events. I'm not gonna do one right now. I'm not gonna do a rally race because I'm currently doing a video. So I can't record and do the race at the same time. It's not gonna work like that. Thought I had another Pepsi up there, but I don't. See, this is my favorite. I can't talk today, guys. This is my favorite drink. Pepsi, zero sugar, or the cherry Pepsi. Oh, those my favorite. Or Coke, or Dr. Pepper, or Sprite, Orange Fanta. I just scratched the back of my tablet. You should have seen how the cat looked at it. The cat's listening to the ice hitting the ceiling. I was trying to swipe up this notification, but I missed it, so. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that ice is hitting the freaking ceiling and the window so hard. Listen. See, it's coming down harder and harder. It's kind of scaring me, to be honest. I don't like bad weather, even just rain and wind. I don't like that. Like, I really don't. Like, I don't like that at all. I wish it would just stop, to be honest. Quick update on my Glock. It's at my house right now. It is fully taken apart. because it's doing some cleaning. And I'm also putting a new slide on it. Bro, this thing's about to be sick. It's going to have a lightweight trigger on it too. I have the factory trigger on it right now, but I'm going to put a lightweight one on there. Make it to where I can just easily press the trigger. And this is actual real gun if you're new to this channel. This ain't no airsoft, no BB. This is actual guns. I got two 20 gauge slug shotgun shells sitting on my dresser. And I got one 12 gauge buckshot shotgun shell sitting on my dresser. So, yeah. I had a 12 gauge shotgun, 20 gauge shotgun, a Glock. I forgot which kind of Glock because I'm out of it today. Nope, never mind. Tonight, my bad. So yeah. That's pretty much the weapons that I have besides melee. I have, let's see, pocket knife, bunch of other stuff. Golly. Let's ice it in the freaking shit. Hold on, what's the temperature now? Temperature's 29. It's 1:44 in the morning, 29 degrees outside, and it says rain. Which is rain, but it's just ice. That was somebody in a truck outside. Dude. I'm on freaking YouTube right now looking at my channel. And I keep getting... Okay, so when you set up your email, don't even do nothing with your email. Don't even get on no sexual stuff, nothing. How is it you always get freaking nude pictures and stuff like that on your Gmail? Like, how? Is it just hackers or something? Because I don't get on stuff like that. Like, bruh. I'm always getting that. It just said Hannah wants to show you her nude pictures. And it said 32 of them. I'm freaking 13 years old. You want me to see that? Come on now. I don't want to see them freaking hairy ass. I ain't even gonna say that. But, no, that's not me. I'm bored. I just like talking to y'all guys at night. Or it's not even night, it's morning. It's 1:44. Or not 44 anymore. It is... How did time just change that fast? Hold up, is that right? Oh, that app was off. It is 2:47 in the morning. That app's off then, but the tablet itself's right. And I still ain't went to sleep yet. It is Monday, February 15th. And my birthday was February 12th. I still ain't had my party yet, because it's going to be next week. Not this week. Hey, Sammy. Hey, let me see the camera. Hey, Sammy. Hey. He's tired. Wait, can I zoom in on it? Oh, I can zoom in. Look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see. Freaking retarded, bro. This video is going to be hashtag cringy. I don't even want to watch this and edit it. Like, no. Oh, I can't edit this video. That's a good thing. Then I can just upload it. Because my PC is not here. It's at my house. But, probably about to end this video here. And just do some, you know, dirt rally. So, yeah. I'm freaking tired, though. I might go to sleep. I don't know. Why does that thing always freaking do that? That muscle. Look, I do my arm like that. It doesn't show that muscle. When I do it like that and don't even flex, it shows that muscle. I'm not flexing. It's just showing that muscle. See, look, watch. This one do it too. This is arm straight out, nothing. This is arm in without flexing. See? Tell me, why does that happen? But yeah, I'm in this video here. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. It doesn't matter. You don't have to. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Peace.